children, good morning. I hope you completed your homework very well. Congrats. Then let's go to the next day class. We already discussed about the alphabets. How many alphabets there? Let's go through them. Read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is it clear? Then let us count together how many letters are here. We already discussed there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Let's count together. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Have you got? How many letters are there? 26. Clear? Okay. These are English alphabets. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. We already discussed about the A. Yesterday we go through A. A stands for apple. I repeat, A stands for apple, X, ant, arrow, ambulance. What's the sound of A? A. Then next letter B. B is the second letter in English alphabet. The sound of B is B. What's the sound of B? B. Bell, ball, bat, bus, balloon. Clear? Capital A, small a. We can say another. How can we say? Mama A. Mama means big A or capital A. Then baby A, small a. Clear? Mama A, baby A. Capital letter, small letter. Capital A, small a. Then Mama B or capital B, baby B or small b. Clear? Then today go through the next letter, third letter C. What is this? C. It's the third letter in English alphabet. C. What is this? C. What is the sound of C? K. All of you say, what's the sound of C? K. K. Car. Car. Sound of C is car. Cake. Do you like cake? I like cake. Cake. Then cake. Car. Cat. Candle. Car. Cake. Candle. Carrot. Okay. Is it clear? The third letter of English alphabet is C. The sound of C is K. C stands for cake, candle, carrot, cat, cow. Clear? I repeat. C is the third letter of English alphabet. C stands for cow, cat, cake, candle, car. Okay. Then capital C, small letter C. Mama C and baby C. We know mama is big one and baby is small. Then mama C and baby C. Clear? Capital letter C and small letter C. Clear? Then C. What's the sound of C? Both letters have the same sound. K. Both C has the same sound. K. Cake. C for cake. C for cat. C for cow. C for candle. C for carrot. Okay, clear? Then the next letter is G. What's this? G. The next letter is G. What's the sound of, what will be the sound of G? Can you say? The sound of G is D. The sound of G is D. D. G for, what's this? D for dog. D for dog. D stands for dog, duck, drum. D stands for dog, duck, drum. I repeat, D is the fourth letter in English alphabets. D is the fourth letter in English alphabets. D has the sound of D. What's the sound of D? D. D has the sound of D. Then G stands for, I repeat, D stands for dog, dog, drum, dolphin, doctor. D stands for dog, doll, dolphin, doctor. Isn't it? Is it clear? Then I repeat, D is the fourth letter in English alphabet. D, the sound of D is D. For example, doctor, dolphin, doll, dog. I repeat, doctor, dolphin, dog, doll, dog. Is it clear? Then, which letter is this? Can you say which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. Small g. What's this? Which letter is this? Small d. Both D has the same sound D. Which sound? D. Sound of D. D has the sound of D. Doll, duck, dolphin, doctor. Okay, clear it. Now, again I repeat once again. A, B, C, D. You already learned 4 letters. A stands for apple, ambulance, axe, ant. And B stands for ball, bell, bat, balloon. Then the sound of A is A. The sound of B is B. The sound of C is K. The sound of D is D. Okay. Then C stands for car, cake, canteen. C stands for car, cake, canteen. Then D stands for dog, doctor, dolphin, dog. Pretty clear? Then let us conclude today's class. Then you have one homework for you. Today's homework is Today's homework. C. Write 4C in one page and write downward. Then 4G in another page, write downward. 2 pages. Okay. Then I think you do it very well. Okay. Let us conclude today's class. Just remember, today we introduced 2 letters in English alphabet, C and D. The sound of C is K and the sound of D is D. C stands for cake, candle, car, like that. And the D stands for drum, dog, door, doctor and dolphin. Okay, let's wind up today's class. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.